welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade. PassionFruit Star Fruit Lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. And it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Salt, granulated sugar, lemons, passion fruit, star fruit, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start by first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and then let's go to the stove. Let's start making our simple syrup. It really doesn't take too long. You can see the granules of the sugar right on the bottom. A minute later it gets nice and cloudy, but then it gets nice and clear, just like that. When it's nice and clear, let's reserve it and put it aside. I have all my fruit here. Let's go and rinse it one by one, making sure that we rinse every single one and taking our time. Once this is done, let's go to the working table and start preparing this delicious lemonade. I have my lemons here. I'm gonna go ahead and just slice them through the middle, and let me show you that they have no seeds. They're small, but you know something? They have a lot of juice. These lemons are from my garden. Look at this. Okay, I am ready to get all the delicious juice out of my lemons, and of course, I'm not gonna leave anything behind. I'm gonna continue getting all the delicious lemon juice one by one. I am completely done, and I got about 1 whole cup of lemon juice. Of course, that it has the pulp, and I'm gonna leave it just like that. I wanna make sure that I use the pulp. I am sure that there's no seeds. I'm gonna continue with my star fruit, and of course, I'm gonna cut the edges just a little bit each side, and then I'm gonna cut these little pieces right on the side. Take your time. Take this completely off. This is the part you need to remove before you make this delicious and amazing lemonade. Once you removed all the little edges, well then, now it's time to start slicing away and making those delicious stars. Look at this. These stars look amazing. Remember that this fruit has seeds. Just make sure that you remove the seeds when you're completely done slicing all the fruit. Look at this. Making sure that you remove the seeds, or else your lemonade is gonna be very sour to taste. Okay, these are done, and I'm going to go ahead, transfer them to a plate, and then I'm just gonna reserve them until I am ready to use them. Perfect stars. Here I have my passion fruit. As you could tell, there's many colors. Every single one has, some have a little bit, some have a lot, but you know something? My vine has so much passion fruit that I am ready to start cultivating for this winter. Look at this. I'm gonna start getting all the delicious pulp from inside every single one. This lemonade, it's so delicious and refreshing that you guys need to try it, need to make it. Look at this. So much pulp. My home smells amazing with this passion fruit. Okay, well, I got about 1 whole cup of the pulp of the passion fruit. And let me show you, I have all the ingredients ready to prepare this delicious and amazing lemonade.
Of course, made at home with lots of love. Let's start making this lemonade because it's nice and hot here in California. I'm gonna start adding on my bowl the lemon juice, the passion fruit, the pinch of salt, the simple syrup, and water. Let's go ahead and incorporate all these delicious flavors. Okay, let's incorporate it. I'm going to taste it to see if I need to add a little more simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. And now I have my pitcher here and I'm going to start decorating with the star fruit, adding ice, adding the passion fruit a little bit at a time. Remember that when you look at this picture and you look at all those colors, especially those beautiful stars and the passion fruit, that's when you say, I am sure that it tastes delicious and amazing. Look at this. This lemonade is so perfect for this hot weather. Nice and refreshing. The taste is amazing, and I know you guys are going to love it. Well, this is completely done, and I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to taste it, so I'll see you in a bit.
With this delicious and refreshing lemonade, PassionFruit Star Fruit Lemonade. You know something? This lemonade is perfect for this hot weather, and it's delicious and it's refreshing. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. Like I always say, I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. You know something? The flavor of the passion fruit and the star fruit is just perfection. Nice and refreshing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing and refreshing